Alright guys, welcome back to another video. So today what we're going to be doing is recharging the AC on the TLX. I've done a few of these videos. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. But the wife's TLX, this is just a 2018. It stopped working and the dealer wants 160 bucks to recharge. So I'm going to try this, and it's still under warranty. So if it doesn't work, then we'll bring it in. And it's definitely a deeper issue that they'll have to fix under warranty. So first thing you're going to do is find the low side. Actually, I'm just going to go ahead. You can get these. Make sure you get one with a gauge. The ones with the spray nozzle works the best. But I already had this, so I just bought this can. It was, I think, like $8 Canadian, so it's pretty cheap. And you're going to want the R134A refrigerant. I'm not sure if you can see that, but R134A. Now I'm gonna go ahead, this little prick thing here pokes through here, and that's when you know the fluid's going in. So I'm going to loosen this up all the way so that way it's not poking through until I'm ready. I'm going to screw it on. So you're going to go ahead and pull on this tab and then pop it on the low side. Can't really see it because it's dirty, but there's an H. This one had an L. It's dirty, but you're definitely going to want to put some gloves on just in case. You don't want to freeze your hand off. So then once you pop that on, you're going to go start the car and turn on the AC. Pressure gauge is in the yellow. Well, it should be more in the green. Anyways, let's turn on the AC and see where that gauge stays. AC is on the lowest temp, but it's just pure hot air. So I'm gonna go ahead, try to put a can through, and see what happens. Oh yeah, look at that, the pressure dropped all the way down. I'm gonna go ahead, and this should pop the seal, and then you're just gonna kind of go like this with the can. And then it releases all the fluid. You should feel the can start to get cold, then you know it's working. Make sure she's really in there. There we go. Keep an eye on the pressure gauge. As you see there, when you lift it up, pressure gauge goes up. Definitely don't want to go in the red or the yellow. I don't know why this thing's already out of fluid. It's a 2018, it makes no sense. Must be a leak. Oh, so the AC is kicking in now. Apparently if it's really low, it's gonna take a while before your AC kicks in, kind of like it just did. Now, sometimes this works, sometimes it doesn't. I did it on my car, like I said, it only lasted a day. Did it on my dad's Santa Fe, it only lasted a little bit. His compressor let go. I think I don't know. Like, this isn't the proper way. You gotta drain all the lines first if you wanna do it the proper way, but this is, sometimes it's a temporary fix. So if you want it done professionally, go to a professional, or if you have a vacuum to suck it out, do that. Oh yeah, I already feel it. Definitely working. Nice and cold now. So I'll keep pumping it through and drain the whole can. It was really low because the compressor didn't kick on for a while, but I don't really know how to tell when the can's done. So I just do this for like 5 minutes. There's a little pressure left, but not much. Does that for a little bit. I could have maybe got a little more out of it, but go sit in the car and see if she cooled down. There we go. So it's nice and cold now. And I might have to go buy another can. We'll see how long this lasts. But it's working. She's got AC for now. Like I said, I don't know how long it's gonna stay nice and cold. It's very simple to do. Anybody can do this. Just follow the steps and you'll have no problem. There's tons of videos online. I'm not a mechanic or anything. I'm just a regular guy that's learning as he goes and records stuff as he does it. So I also have like mods and racing videos, so if you enjoy that kind of stuff too. But anyways, that's it. So if you enjoyed it, hit that like button. Feel free to comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.